everyone, my name is Aunty Tab and I am from Kahalu Community Park and this is All Things Recreation. Today we're going to be working on a craft. We're going to make some Kool-Aid Play Doh. So let's get started. Okay, so for the Kool-Aid Play Doh craft, we're going to need some items. So we're going to need a medium-sized bowl and a large-sized bowl. You're going to need a spoon to mix or stir your ingredients together. You're going to need a measuring spoon, 1 tablespoon. You're going to need a measuring cup for your ingredients, and I have my water in here. And then you're going to the items you're going to need, the ingredients that you're going to need is the 2 cups of flour, which I have already pre-measured, 1 cup of salt, kosher salt, and you're going to use 1 tablespoon of canola oil or vegetable oil, and the unsweetened Kool-Aid packet mix. So let's begin. First, you're going to get your medium bowl and you're going to stir together 1 cup of water, you're going to add your unsweetened Kool-Aid packet mix, and then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or canola oil. And you're just gonna stir that up there. Until all the Kool-Aid mix is dissolved in the water oil mixture. Then set that aside. I'm gonna bring my large mixing bowl, and in that I'm going to mix the dry ingredients, which is the 2 cups of flour, and the 1 cup of fine kosher salt. And I am just going to stir that all around and mix it so that the salt and flour are combined together, scraping the sides as well as the bottom of the bowl. So once you get that all mixed up pretty good, you're going to get the Kool-Aid water oil mixture, and you're just going to mix it inside, stir it in. And then you're going to use the spoon and just kind of get it all incorporated together. It so most of the flour is in the dough. most of it is all pretty much in the dough. Then I'm just gonna use, it's easier to just use your hands. So I'm just gonna start kneading it with my hand. And there you have it, your Kool-Aid Play Doh. Once you're done mixing it and kneading it to the consistency that you like, you can put it in an airtight container such as this. I made this one yesterday, so this one's a pink one. I think it was the pink lemonade packet. Alright, and there you go. You made Kool-Aid Play Doh. Have fun.